Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you to log into your Wikipedia account. If you haven't created your Wikipedia account yet, you can go and check out my previous tutorial where I have taught you to create Wikipedia account. Now let's get started. Make sure that you are connected to your internet. Here I will be opening my Wikipedia app. Here we go. Now at the top right corner you can see that settings bottom. Tap on that. Now at the top you can see login option. Tap on that. Here you have to enter your username. Now you have to enter your password here. After you are done, tap on login option. Okay, here my password has been incorrect. I have written incorrectly. So I would like to enter the password again. Now I will be tapping on login. Here you can see that I have easily logged into my Wikipedia account. In this way, you can also log into your Wikipedia account. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.